2026 could be one of the biggest years for foldable phones, as Apple's first foldable iPhone Ultra is set to arrive in September. But while that might excite some fans, it could also come with some bad news. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. According to a recent Counterpoint research report, the average price of foldable phones could rise by about 18% this year, and that increase will be thanks to Apple's upcoming model. Now, the average foldable are expected to cost $1,485, and that's because the iPhone Ultra itself will probably cost significantly more than that, with a recent report predicting that it could retail for as much as $2,500, and that might just be the starting price. And because of being an iPhone, it's sure to be popular and could therefore drive up the average price, but its impact might extend to other brands too, because a $2,500 foldable iPhone can make such prices more palatable when attached to phones from Samsung and other companies. That's why it's no surprise that a Samsung exec said last year that it's welcoming others to join this category in response to a question about the iPhone Ultra's arrival. Now, don't be surprised if future Samsung foldables cost more than current ones, and not just because of rising RAM prices and inflation, but also because of the Apple impact. Still, this Counterpoint report has some good news too, as they reported that clamshell models are expected to fall in place on average, bringing them closer to premium bar-type smartphone alternatives. So while book-style foldables might start feeling even further out of reach for a lot of buyers, clamshell models could become increasingly attainable. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.